everyone, we're here at Palm Valley Communities, the Santa Palmia property. We're going to go ahead and view a 2-bedroom apartment, apartment number 1192. Let's go right in. So here we have our living room space. This is a hard surface flooring all throughout apartment. This is your living room here. We have fireplace here, it's electric. The switch would be located right there. As you can see, this apartment has master bedroom and guest bedroom, all separate from one another, right across from each other. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and view our master bedroom. Master bedroom here, pretty spacious in size. You have your sliding doors, giving you access to the patio area. You also have storage space located here. Right here, we have the door, the entrance to the living room, but you also have the entrance through the master bedroom. Right this way, we have our walk-in closet, pretty spacious in size. Couple steps down, we have our master bedroom. We have Roman tub. Really spacious and beautiful master bedroom. We're gonna make our way to the guest bedroom right across. As you can see, we have our guest bedroom. This bedroom gets nice sunlight exposure, as well as you have your closet here, sliding doors. Okay, we're gonna make our way right out to our laundry room. We have full washer and dryer, as well as some space. Right over here, we have our guest bedroom, pretty big in size. And we're going to make our way to the kitchen, but before that, we have nice, lovely computer desk area with some counter space. Here, we have our coat closet. All right, and we're making our way to our kitchen with stainless steel appliances. We have microwave, stove, and dishwasher. So, and it is granite counters. So, there you have it. 2-bedroom apartment, 1,033 square feet, apartment 1192. For more information, look below. You'll see our website and as well as our contact number. Thank you for watching. This was Santa Palmia at Palm Valley Communities.